Shit! Yun yung may ano yung like series na palabas. Alam mo yun, yung buong buhay mo binibidyo.
Ah, yung pati anak niya?
Oo. Nanay, tatay.
Bigyan mo na siya dun.
Nakasamot eh.
So big, it's brighter than all. He'd catch a grenade for you. The one person you'll never have to say to him, I love the way you lie.
Ay?
Here are the nominees for the best male video.
Yan na, Justin Bieber mananalo!
CeeLo Green.
Hindi mo nanalo.
Si Justin Bieber, nanalo na nga eh.
Featuring Rihanna and Kid Cudi. All of the lights. Bruno Mars. Grenade. Eminem. Featuring Rihanna. Love the way you lie. Justin Bieber.
Nay! Justin Bieber. Nanalo yan, tanga. Nanalo yan. Pag nanalo yan, kukutusan kita, tina mo. Kutos ka, Bia.
Hindi.
Kutos ka.
Hindi, ayoko.
Takita mo kayo magkikiss. Please naman. Shit, grabe. Ano ba yan? Nay! Tangina! Bakit sila nag-kiss? Ang saklap naman.
Didilaan niya eh.
Nay! Yung pogi mo!
Ayaw ko
I just want to
mainay.
say thank you so much, not only to God, but to Jesus. Because, you know, I wouldn't be here.
Hindi niya pinasalapan ng mga fans
He's
niya.
really blessed me. He's put me in this position, so I want to say thank you so much. Also, I want to say thank you to all the other nominees. They were amazing. I'm a true fan of all of them, so I want to share this award with all of them. You guys are amazing.
I love you! Ay! Yung pogi mo! Wala na, tapos na.
Please welcome Joe Jonas and Victoria Justice.